There is no charge for awesomeness.
Hi gang, it's Guru Bob and welcome to day 9 of the 30-day challenge. By now you should have watched a video from Ed showing you how to find out some other sites that are in your niche where you might be able to comment or make a post or write a forum response where you can get a keyword specific backlink pointing back to your blog. And both day 8 and day 9, the purpose of these activities is twofold. First purpose is that we want to get our site indexed by the search engines. And the second purpose is that we want to start the process of building some good quality backlinks that point to our site with the right keywords in the anchor text. Now, the very best way of getting your site indexed is to have the search engine spiders, particularly Google, find their way to your site by following a link from somebody else's site. And even better, if the spiders follow that link where the anchor text is keyword relevant to your site, so that the spiders already think, okay, I'm following a link that says vintage electric guitar, and they follow that link and come to your blog, and your blog is optimized for that keyword, vintage electric guitar. Makes the search engine spiders immediately understand the relevancy of your site in relation to that keyword. And hopefully then you'll get indexed, which means that Google will put the pages that it finds into its cache, and you will begin then to appear in the search engines. Now, sometimes you'll get indexed and ranked at the same time, i.e. Google will find you, puts you into their cache, and you also get some immediate ranking. But at this stage, we really want you just to get indexed, so that the search engines know that you exist. The ranking, your long-term ranking, will be a function of the quality of the link network that you build over time relative to your competition in your niche. So at this stage, if you're not ranking that well, or if your ranking is changing or going up and down, or sometimes even you disappear out of the search engines pages, and then you might come back again in a few days, that's normal, absolutely normal. At this point, we just want to know that the search engines, particularly Google, have found our website. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, it's very easy. And this should work in both Google and Yahoo, and I think it also works in MSN as well. You just need to do a search using the command site : and then your domain name.com. So let's go over to the browser and have a look at our vintage electric guitar blog.com. Okay, here we are in Flock, and you can see that I've entered that command, site : vintage electric guitar blog, which is the name of our domain.com, and just click on search. And there you go. Google has found us, and not only have they found the home page of our blog, shown by this first listing here, they've also found our contact page, and they've indexed that contact page and put us into the cache, and they've also cached the actual post page as well. The way blogs work are that every single post has its own page, and some of those posts will appear on the home page, some will appear on the archive pages, but every post has its own page. So at this stage, we have been indexed by Google, so we have a listing here, a search. These listings show that we will appear in the SERPs, which is known as the search engine results pages, and that 3 of our pages from our domain have been indexed, and that's all that you really want to find. Now, if you have been through the process that we've been teaching you up to this point, and you aren't indexed yet, then you might want to build do a bit more social bookmarking, or perhaps do a bit more commenting with in other web pages within your niche. Eventually, the search engine spiders should follow a link from someone else's website to your page, and then you should get indexed. So that's how you find if your site has been indexed in Google, and that command should also work in the other search engines as well. Although at this point our principal interest is that we have been found and indexed by Google.
There is no charge for awesomeness.